Hello guys, this is Wadiha. Please be kind to my channel, subscribe and give me a thumbs up for this video. This is my first dish in my first vlog. I suggest you guys to try it at home, cook it. I'm sure you're gonna love the taste. I really love the thigh part and legs, but you can see here guys that I'm removing the skin. Don't worry, this will not be waste. I'll just keep it aside. Alam nyo na kami mga Pinoy, bawal magsilang ng pagkain, hindi nagtatapon, mahalang bilihin. My husband don't want more fat, so I'm just removing also to lessen the cholesterol from chicken. Just only for him. I can eat anything. Super workout kasi siya, so I follow whatever he requested. Let's go for seasoning. We have here 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon free salt seasoning. I'm using this instead of salt. 1 teaspoon granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and 1 tablespoon olive oil. I'm mixing all the ingredients, and after this, I will rub and massage into the chicken. Make sure that all part of this chicken are seasoned well, then marinated for at least 1 hour. I'm using here a baking sheet pan with the wrap of aluminum foil, so it's easy for me to clean it later, and I spray already with the olive oil. Your oven should be preheated already at 350 Fahrenheit. Cooking time is 20 minutes each side. While baking, I'm going to prepare the glaze. We have here 2 tablespoons tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, and 2 tablespoons of honey. I put all the ingredients here in this pot and then stirring it continuously. It should be in a medium heat so it will not burn. So after this, we're going to brush it on the chicken. Look at my chicken, it's perfectly baked. Okay, I'm gonna put all the sauce all over. It should be all coated. It really looks amazing and smells really good. After this coating, I will put it back again to the oven just for 5 minutes. So the sauce will be more caramelized and chicken will be more tasty. And this is it. My baked chicken with honey glaze. Kain na! Thank you guys for watching. Hope you leave a comment. This is my first vlog, so encourage me to do more. Thank you.